How to spread fire in Hytale. So in this phase of Hytale version, you cannot spread the fire until you are in creative mode. If you are in creative mode, you can get the goblin flamethrower. Just type here flame and you can get it. Also, if you want to, you can get the common fire and set fire with this, but only in creative mode. Once you have it, you can just grab the flamethrower and point it on plants or trees and just burn it down, and it's gonna burn in a few seconds. Using this method you can burn all the forest and get some burned logs, as you can see. And as I said, in this phase of game you cannot spread fire even with lava or campfire and any other tool. Maybe in the future I believe it's gonna be possible. So if you have any questions, leave a comment and see you next time.